Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This lesson is about Shadda. This sign is called Shadda. Before starting this lesson, inshallah, we'll learn some rules. Firstly, we start from this Shadda sign. So the rule is, if any mutaharrik letter is coming after Sakin letter and both letters are same, then add previous Sakin letter with next mutaharrik letter. And also this shadda will be made on this mutaharrik letter. This rule is called Idgham. Inshallah, we'll learn this rule with details in Quran when this shadda sign comes on Mim Sakin or Noon Sakin. Then make Gunna. Gunna is nasal sound. Like Amma, Inna. Now we are starting rules of Noon Sakin and Tanween. In Arabic, you can say Ahkam, النون الساكنة والتنوين. أحكام النون الساكنة والتنوين. Rules of noon sakin, sakina or sakin, same words. أحكام النون الساكنة والتنوين. Rules of noon sakin and tanween. There are 4 rules. Izhar, Idgham, Iqlab, Ikhfa. Hamza. Ikhfa. So inshallah, in this lesson, we'll learn Izhar, Idgham, Iqlab and Ikhfa. These 3 rules, inshallah, we'll learn it with details. And Idgham, inshallah, we'll learn it in Quran with detail. But right now, inshallah, we'll do it short. So the first one is Izhar. So I start from the first one. Izhar. There are 6 letters of Izhar. Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. These letters are called huruful halqiyah. Huruful halqiyah. Huruful halqiyah. Throat letters. The letters that come out of throat. For Izhar, you need to memorize these 6 letters first. Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha. So now the rule. Rule is, if one of these 6 letters are after Nun Sakin or Tanween, then read Nun Sakin or Tanween clearly. Look at example. That one, Hamza Fatha Nun Sukun An. That one is Ain Fatha. Ain is coming after Nun Sakin. Now read this Nun clearly. An. An'amta. We say it in Surah Al-Fatiha. صراط الذين أنعمت. Don't make nasal sound. Read it clearly. And this is Izhar. Other examples, inshallah, we learn it in Quran. Second rule is Idgham. Idgham means al-idkhal or idkhal. adding, merge, and there are 6 letters of idgham: ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon. For idgham, you need to memorize these 6 letters: ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon. So you can say these 6 letters in one word: yarmaloon. Yar, ra, sakin, and maloon. That will be easy to memorize these 6 letters if you memorize this word yarmaloon, because these 6 letters are combined in this word yarmaloon. Yara, maloon, mim, lam, waw, noon. So now the rule is, if one of these 6 letters are after noon sakin or tanween, then idgham will be made. Then noon sakin or tanween will be added with these letters. Inshallah, we'll see these examples in when we start Quran, when we see examples in Quran with details. I will tell you the rules related to this lesson. Third one is Iqlab. Iqlab, change, transfer. There is just one letter, ba. Rule is, if ba is after noon sakin or tanween, then Iqlab will be made. Then the sound will be changed. For example, min. Next letter is ba, ba'du. Min, ba'du. It is min ba'du, but you should apply the rule iqlab. Ba is coming after noon sakin. Usually we see small meme between these 2 letters. So it will be read mim ba'du, changing sound. Mim ba'du, mim ba'du. Fourth rule is ikhfa. Ikhfa means to conceal, hiding. So we have learned huruful halqiyah, hamzaha, ayn, ha, ghayn, kha, idgham's letters, ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon, and ba. All other letters are ikhfa letters than huruful halqiyah and yarmaloon and ba. So there are 15 letters: ta, tha, jim, dal, zal, za, sin, shin, صاد, ضاد, طاء, ظاء, فاء, قاف, kaf. So these 15 letters are ikhfa letters. So the rule is, when these 15 letters are after noon sakin or tanween, then hide the sound through nose. In ikhfa, you need to pronounce it through nose but with light sound. Don't touch your tongue with teeth. Pronounce it without touching. For example, Hamza Fatha Noon Sukun an, Ta Fatha Ta. Ta is one of these 15 letters. So now you have to do ikhfa. Just hide voice and pronounce it through nose without touching tongue with teeth. Anta, anta, anta. So ikhfa is like saying mango in English. We don't pronounce n. Pronounce it lightly, mango. So ikhfa is saying like this, mango. Anta. Prolong this nasal sound with 2 harakat. Anta. And this one is كنت تنسى فانصب فانصب أنشر أنقض ينفخ ينقلب ينظرون أنذرنا أنزلنا ينظر المرء كالعهن المنفوش منفوش عند ذي العرش لقد خلقنا الإنسان. Inshallah, in next lesson we'll start from Shadda. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.